Welcome to the Health Collective, where we share insights and tips to help you live a healthier life. Our mission here at the Health Collective is to empower you with knowledge to help you make informed decisions about your health and well-being. We delve into a variety of topics from nutrition and fitness to mental health and preventative care. We're committed to providing you with reliable, practical, and easy-to-understand health information. Today, we're going to explore a topic that's of interest to anyone with braces or considering getting braces. We're going to talk about 10 foods that, while they may seem harmless, can actually cause quite a bit of trouble for your braces. We'll explain why these foods are problematic and suggest alternatives that are safer for your braces and just as delicious. So, brace yourself as we dive into the foods that may seem harmless but can cause havoc to your braces. First off, beware of hard and chewy foods. Now you might wonder, why are these types of foods a problem? Well, the answer is quite simple. Hard and chewy foods like candy, steak, or bagels can cause significant damage to your braces. Imagine biting into a chewy caramel or a tough steak. The force you use to chew can strain the brackets and wires of your braces, leading to breakages or dislocations. And that's not all. Chewy foods can also get stuck between your braces and teeth, making them difficult to clean. This could lead to plaque buildup and cavities. Therefore, it's best to save these food items for a special occasion, or better yet, until your braces come off. So, next time you're tempted to bite into that chewy bagel or hard candy, remember, the harder the food, the harder it is on your braces. A scene script. Next on the list, crunchy foods. Now, who doesn't love the satisfying snap of a potato chip or the pop of a popcorn kernel? However, for those with braces, these little pleasures can become a big problem. When you bite into something crunchy, the force can dislodge brackets or bend the wires of your braces, disrupting the alignment process and potentially prolonging your treatment. Moreover, tiny fragments of these foods can get stuck in the nooks and crannies of your braces, leading to issues such as cavities and gum inflammation. Think about it. Popcorn hulls wedged in your gums or chip crumbs nestled around your brackets. Not a pretty picture, is it? And let's not forget about nuts. These nutritious powerhouses are a no-go for brace wearers because of their hard texture. So, when it comes to crunchy foods, it's best to crunch with caution. Your braces and your future smile will thank you. Moving on, let's talk about sticky foods. Ever had a caramel candy or a piece of toffee that just won't let go of your teeth? Now imagine that scenario with braces on. That's the kind of situation we're dealing with when it comes to sticky foods and braces. Sticky foods like caramel, gum, and toffee, just to name a few, can easily get stuck between your braces and teeth. They are not only challenging to remove, but can also potentially damage the wires and brackets of your braces. Think about it this way. The adhesive properties of these foods can be quite similar to the glue used to attach your braces. So, every time you eat something sticky, you're essentially giving your braces a run for their money. In the long run, this can lead to unnecessary complications that might prolong your braces journey. So it's best to steer clear of these sticky culprits. The stickier the food, the trickier it gets. So save your braces the stress. Now let's discuss sugary foods. It's no secret that sugar is a notorious culprit when it comes to dental health, but its impact is significantly amplified when you have braces. Sugary foods are a delight for the taste buds, but a nightmare for your teeth. They encourage the growth of bacteria in your mouth, which feed on sugar and produce acid. This acid in turn begins to attack the tooth enamel, leading to the formation of plaque. When you have braces, these issues are even more concerning. The brackets and wires create numerous nooks and crannies where these sugar-loving bacteria can hide and thrive. As a result, cleaning becomes more challenging, increasing the risk of cavities and tooth decay. Moreover, the sugar can also lead to discoloration around the brackets, leaving you with uneven tooth color once the braces are removed. In the battle against braces, sugar is not your friend. Next on our list, acidic foods. Now, who doesn't love a fresh orange or a splash of vinegar on their salad? But when you're wearing braces, these might not be your best friends. Acidic foods such as citrus fruits and vinegar can play a mischievous role in your oral health. The acid in these foods can cause enamel erosion. Enamel is the hard protective coating on your teeth that prevents damage to the sensitive and delicate areas underneath. When the enamel is eroded, your teeth can become more sensitive and prone to cavities. Additionally, acidic foods can lead to discoloration. Over time, your teeth may start to yellow, creating a stark contrast with the white brackets of your braces. Not a great look, right? But don't worry, we're not suggesting you ban these foods from your diet entirely. The key is moderation. Enjoy your favorite citrus fruits and tangy dressings, but remember to rinse your mouth afterwards to neutralize the acid. When it comes to acidic foods, moderation is key. Let's talk about hard vegetables and fruits. These nutritious powerhouses are usually great for our health. However, when it comes to braces, they can be a literal hard nut to crack. Take apples and carrots, for example. Their hard, crunchy texture can put a lot of pressure on the braces when bitten into directly. This can cause the brackets to break or the wires to bend, leading to discomfort and potential setbacks in your orthodontic treatment. Other hard fruits like pears and vegetables like raw broccoli or cauliflower can have the same effect. And it's not just about the potential damage. Biting into these foods can also lead to tiny pieces getting stuck in your braces, which can be a hassle to clean. Fear not, you don't have to give up on these healthy foods entirely. The trick is in the preparation. Cut them into bite-sized pieces or consider grating or steaming them to soften. This way, you can continue to enjoy their health benefits without risking damage to your braces. So, it's best to cut them into smaller pieces before eating. Next up, foods with small seeds. A delightful crunch, a burst of flavor, seeds can add a certain charm to our meals. But when you have braces, they can be more of a nuisance than a delight. Imagine biting into a juicy strawberry or munching on a sesame seed bagel. Sounds tempting, right? However, these tiny seeds have a knack for finding their way into the nooks and crannies of braces. Once lodged, these seeds can be challenging to dislodge, even with the most diligent brushing and flossing. Over time, this can lead to discomfort, and in worse cases, contribute to cavities or other oral health issues. So, if you're sporting braces, it might be wise to swap out these seeded foods for their seedless counterparts. Opt for seedless grapes, smooth nut butters, or perhaps a banana. Remember, small seeds can cause big problems for braces. Now, let's discuss foods you bite into. We're talking about the likes of corn on the cob, apples, chicken wings, and other foods that require a bit of force to bite off. These are the types of foods that can pose a risk to your braces. You see, when you bite into these foods, the pressure exerted can potentially cause the brackets on your braces to snap off or the wires to bend. And we all know that's not a pleasant experience, not to mention the cost of repair and the delay in your orthodontic progress. Now, this doesn't mean you have to completely eliminate these foods from your diet. A simple workaround is to cut them into smaller, manageable pieces that you can chew with your back teeth. This way, you get to enjoy your favorite foods without risking damage to your braces. So consider cutting them into smaller pieces and chewing with your back teeth. So, we've covered the top 10 foods to avoid when you have braces. From hard and chewy foods that can damage your braces to crunchy foods that can get stuck and cause discomfort. We've also discussed the perils of sticky foods and the havoc that sugary foods can wreak on your oral health. We delved into the world of acidic foods and how they can erode the enamel of your teeth, making them more susceptible to damage. We've also pointed out the trouble with hard vegetables and fruits and how they can potentially harm your braces. We've warned against foods with small seeds that can get trapped and cause issues, and foods that you bite into, which can put pressure on your braces. Each of these categories represents potential threats to your braces and your oral health. Remember, taking care of your braces is a step towards a healthier, brighter smile. Don't forget to subscribe to the Health Collective for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy.